guys, it's Gina, and I want to thank the brand EarlyBird for sending me over this energy drink product. It is actually called their morning cocktail in the flavor Pineapple Mimosa. Now, if you are a person that needs a little help waking up in the morning, you need that little get-go. I know that a lot of people turn to coffee, but not everyone wants to be drinking a ton of coffee anymore in the mornings. And if you're like me, I personally don't even drink coffee. So if you're looking for a little pick-me-up, I'm thinking busy moms that, have been up all night with their kids and they need something to help get them going in the morning. This is definitely a product to check out. I want to explain, I'm going to show it up close. The powder is extremely, extremely fine. They do recommend that you prepare this the night before and have it sitting on your nightstand for efficiency, just so as soon as you wake up in the morning, you can drink it. However, that's not the way I prefer to drink it. I prefer mixing mine up the night before and leaving it in the refrigerator because I like my drinks to be cold. You can't put this like in a shaker bottle and just shake it and drink it like that. I actually like to blend mine with a little electric milk frother. You can do either, but I want to show you what it actually looks like when you put it in your drink. Normally I would have more water than this, but I'm just showing you this for an example. One of the things you will notice right away is the pineapple smell. It definitely has pineapple smell and a very refreshing pineapple flavor. Let me tell you, I'm very picky about what I drink. I don't like a lot of different kinds of drinks, but this actually tastes really good. And it has a lot of good things in it for you. I will, however, point out it does have sucralose. So if you are looking to stay away from artificial sweeteners, I think it's important for you to know that. They do have a pretty extensive ingredient list on all the things that they have in here. Some of the ingredients you will see on the list include calcium, potassium, L-thyrine, turmeric powder, tart cherry extract. There's quite a list of ingredients, so be sure and check those out. But if you're looking for a good energy pick-me-up in the morning, like I mentioned, I'm not a coffee drinker, so I also try to stay away from a lot of energy drinks because I feel like they make me feel wired. This one does not make me feel that way. I feel like it gives me a kind of like a more natural type of energy. I also like, probably for that reason, I don't feel like I'm coming down from it. I just feel like it just gives me that good pick-me-up in the morning. So if you are looking to try a new energy drink and you're looking for one that actually tastes good, check out EarlyBird.